So hopefully we just have a chill little POV. And yeah.
Whoop, whoop. Here I come. Oh, here.
Woo! Hair looks good, you know what I'm saying, man? I'm feeling good. But anyways, welcome back to another POV drive today. This is day 26. I'm here with the Camry. Just got outside of work. You know, I'm at another high school today with the Browns. So it was a cool little day today. It was really, really, really hot. So all the kids were happy, you know what I'm saying? So that's day 2 with the Browns. And today I am giving you guys another POV drive with 30-day marathon with the 2025 Toyota Camry SE all-wheel drive, 232 horsepower. As y'all boys can see, black edition. And then y'all can see the spoiler. Y'all can see the spoiler. Make sure you guys do subscribe. And yeah, enjoy. YouTube, we are back on the highway, man. We about to go get some food real quick. I just left work day 2, so that was great. So yeah, I'm gonna just probably chill out, chill little ASMR. We are 10 minutes away from Chick-fil-A in Solon, so we're about to go head over there. Haven't had Chick-fil-A in so long, so hopefully we just have a chill little POV. And yeah, make sure you guys subscribe, you know what I'm saying? I'll catch you on the next one. you guys did enjoy that highway POV, make sure you guys subscribe. And if you guys did enjoy this video, hit the thumbs up, smash that like button, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Let me give y'all 360 and I'm out of here. I'm about to get myself 8-count nugget meal, a large fry, and probably a cookies and cream milkshake. You know what? That's what it's gonna be. Failure is not an option, boys. You know what I'm saying? This is day 25 with the Camry of consistent videos. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. It's a head mount. It's a GoPro.
Very cool.
It's a camera.
And so, like, you can see everything?
Yeah. I do YouTube.
You should do that, like, ski jumping.
Oh, I'm not good at that. Have a blessed one, sir. But yeah, like I was saying, chat, I'm possibly going to get the mirror caps this weekend because, you know what? Why not? I'm going to just get the glossy mirror caps. It's going to look perfect, you know what I'm saying? I already know you guys glaze my stuff about getting darker tint. I'll get darker tint eventually, probably next year. But if I do hit a slip today, chat, peep. So these are two different lights. So right here, I would have to get this tinted, then that tinted. So that's probably going to be like $700. If it's $700 for both, bro, I'm gonna be blown. But anything for the content, you know what I'm saying, chat? I'm gonna keep doing POVs, but I'm thinking about changing up the type of content, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully the goal is to get a scat POV drive. If you guys want to see the scat, get this video to at least 5,000 views and I will drop a scat POV, chat. If not, it's all good, man, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, make sure you guys do subscribe. I love you guys and I'm gonna catch y'all again. I'll see y'all tomorrow.